Popularity of vegetarian and vegan food in the athlete community. Vegetarian and vegan diets are becoming increasingly popular in the athlete community. Many athletes have turned to plant-based diets to improve their performance, reduce inflammation, and promote overall health and wellness. In this article, we will explore the reasons why vegetarian and vegan diets are gaining popularity among athletes, the benefits they offer, and some tips for athletes who are considering making the switch to plant-based eating. Why athletes choose vegetarian and vegan diets. There are several reasons why athletes are turning to vegetarian and vegan diets. One of the main reasons is the belief that plant-based diets can improve athletic performance. Many athletes have reported feeling more energized, recovering faster from workouts, and experiencing fewer injuries after switching to a vegetarian or vegan diet. Another reason why athletes choose vegetarian and vegan diets is for their health benefits. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. They can also improve blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall gut health. In addition to the performance and health benefits, many athletes also choose vegetarian and vegan diets for ethical and environmental reasons. Plant-based diets are considered more sustainable and environmentally friendly than diets that rely heavily on animal products. They also align with the ethical beliefs of many athletes who prioritize animal welfare and reducing their impact on the environment. Benefits of vegetarian and vegan diets for athletes. Vegetarian and vegan diets offer many benefits for athletes. One of the main benefits is improved recovery time. Plant-based diets are rich in antioxidants, which can reduce inflammation and promote faster recovery after workouts. They are also high in fiber, which can improve digestion and reduce bloating and discomfort. Another benefit of vegetarian and vegan diets is improved heart health. Plant-based diets are low in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also high in potassium, which can lower blood pressure and improve heart function. In addition, vegetarian and vegan diets can provide all the necessary nutrients for optimal athletic performance. Plant-based diets are rich in complex carbohydrates, which provide sustained energy for workouts. They also contain high-quality protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. Plant-based sources of protein include tofu, tempeh, lentils, beans, and nuts. Tips for athletes considering vegetarian and vegan diets. If you're an athlete considering switching to a vegetarian or vegan diet, there are a few things to keep in mind to ensure that you're getting all the necessary nutrients for optimal performance and health. First, make sure to eat a variety of plant-based foods to ensure that you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Aim to eat a rainbow of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and nuts and seeds. This will ensure that you're getting all the necessary vitamins, minerals, and protein. Second, make sure to supplement with vitamin B12, which is only found in animal products. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production and nerve function, so it's important to ensure you're getting enough of it.